What's up, you guys? It's me again, Cole here, back with another video. Yeah, we were in Las Vegas, and now we left. Alright guys, we made it past security. Oh no, there's more. So we're driving home, and we're going to the Hoover Dam right now. Yeah, there's a lot of mountains.
Yo, what's it again?
Yeah. And there's my brother. He's making a YouTube video. Go subscribe to his channel. His name is Kid Perfect. Links in description.
I'm going to the dam.
Wow. That's my mom. Hi, Mom. A lot of mountains. I think we're almost there. Yes. I am. Work. There we go. Let's focus now.
Look at the bridge, guys.
Whoa.
Right here. This is the new bridge.
Whoa, can we go up there?
Well, that's what they were walking on. That was what they were.
Can we go up there?
Maybe.
It's a brand new bridge, guys. We might go up there. Whoa.
Cars drive on top of it.
That's a really crazy
Dang.
bridge.
Wait, are we inside the Hoover Dam?
No.
Oh.
We're on one side of the Hoover Dam. There's the Hoover Dam right there.
Hey, car.
The big wall.
Whoa. Did Trump build that?
Oh.
Wow. I can't see it yet. Bye bye, Mr. Car. There we are. Water. Alright guys, we just parked and now I just barely got out. Real? It says danger, keep off wall, but I'm on the wall. Can we go on the bridge? Whoa, here's an even better spot. Whoa. I think this is my first time going to the Hoover Dam, is it? Yeah.
Okay.
You drove through here.
Was that like when I was like a baby?
Perfect.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
I used to live in in Arizona. That's where I was born. Phoenix. Bird. Water. Hoover Dam.
Guys,
Whoa.
go over the.
Whoa, what's that? Guys, we've been walking a little bit. Yeah. Oh, wow, guys. See all that water? Dad, throw him off.
No way.
Throw him off.
That's where the wall is.
Wow.
Yeah, that's the wall there. You can kind of see it a little bit.
There's cars down there. I want to go down there.
Okay.
Whoa, guys. Whoa. We're on an escalator, guys. It goes down. Yes. Whoa, there's a lot of shade, and there's a door. Security. Okay, crap. Bye, guys. Bye. That was scary. They took away my phone, but then I got it back. Isn't that right, Brady? Yeah. Yes. They canceled the tours. Yeah. Okay. We're not gonna make it.
Oh my gosh, hurry up.
I mean,
Go freaking faster.
Brady, run up the stairs. Run up the stairs. No, not those. Those. Yeah. Hurry up. Hurry up, Brady. It goes high up. It's gonna eat my feet.
There was only 62 steps.
Whoa.
Italian. Would you want one of those?
How much is it?
$5 each or 4 for 15.
Holy crap. Wow.
Let's see what else there is. Maybe I'll put it on the way out.
Wow.
Uh-huh.
Holy.
Grand
You gotta
Canyon.
look at this. Show them this.
Yeah.
It actually shows.
Wait, why does it say Grand Canyon when it's the Hoover Dam?
Because we're also in Arizona.
Oh.
Really?
So it shows Arizona stuff and the
Oh. I'm gonna get some ice cream.